Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word horseman. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The 4 horsemen rode into town, their horses galloping fiercely as they approached. Horseman refers to individuals who ride horses, often for leisure, sport, or as part of a military or ceremonial procession. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.